To go from 0 to 100K is pretty simple. You just need a little focus and a proven plan that can start with a simple side hustle to move towards a profitable online business. Here is my affiliating profitable online business roadmap. It starts with a proven strategy, my proven top strategy of generating traffic. It's the first pillar that is required. Then you need an offer. It is the second pillar that is required. Then you need to add people to an email list. Building an email list allows you to follow up with the people that have a problem that you address in your offer. Actually, let me back up and say you actually address the problem first and foremost in your content that you create around a simple topic. That's how you generate traffic. And when you understand that the proven top strategy is about 3 pillars stacked on top of each other, starting with traffic, generating traffic to an offer that helps people, and then you add those people to an email list, because ultimately everyone is going to need additional help. And that's the point. That's what you're doing in the beginning, is you're helping them originally with your content to generate traffic, to show them the offer that fixes their problem currently where they're at. Then you add them to an email list and you continue to follow up with them to understand where they are in their journey, whether they need more help or not. And then you come back, and at that point, you're looking at this through a different lens, and you're saying, you know what? I accomplished traffic. I picked a topic, and we're going to talk about how simple this actually is. A lot of people really overcomplicate this, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this with 2 examples. Then you move into tools, tech, and time, and you understand and you know that there are a few tools that are required and some technology that you have to put together, and then you have to take the time to move to step 3 and start creating consistent content. And that was supposed to be a check mark, and it was really, really ugly. But the point here is consistent content is what leads people up to your offer. And then once people see your offer, you want to add them to an email list, and then you want to automate the follow-up, or you want to automate the ability to make sure that they understand exactly how the offer that you have can help them in case they don't buy initially. Because the whole idea here is you're trying to help people with your content, and you will help a lot of people with just the how-to content that will solve their problem. But then there is going to be a group of people that will need to move up to the offer. And those people that move up to the offer, they'll buy, but they may not be ready to buy. They may not be prepared to buy. Many reasons that you want to add them to an email list to follow up with them. Or maybe they purchase your offer. You earn a commission if you're an affiliate, or if you're selling your own product to keep 100% of that, or if you have your own offer and you go out and recruit your own affiliates. And at that point, you see the different levels. And when you come back to this proven strategy, you understand that there's a lot going on here when you start generating topic, or when you start generating traffic, starting with picking a topic as step 1, because there's just 9 simple steps inside of each of the 3 pillars that are required to be built. So you pick a topic, you understand the tools, the time, and the technology to create the consistent content, and I got that check mark better there. Here, when you start letting people know about your offer, this typically, for most people, especially when we're looking at side hustle to online business, we're looking at being an affiliate marketer, because we don't need to do a lot of work to just present that offer and sell that offer, and then we can earn a commission. We don't even have to support that offer. We don't have to deliver that offer. And typically I'm talking about digital products in this space, because that's really the focus of what I'm talking about inside of building this and going from 0 to 100K and doing it. And I don't want to use the word quickest, but doing it in a way that is faster than if you try to, or if you're looking at trying to outsource, or you're trying to build your own physical product, or even if you are being an affiliate for physical products and you get into the world of shipping. In the world of digital products, it's all about instant delivery, getting that feedback on whether or not the offer is a match for the people. And again, you're adding those people to an email list, and you're coming back and you're doing all these steps. And when you get to step 9, this is when you start to understand that the business that you have that was at 0, now as you move towards 100K, you're just going back through this strategy. But understand that traffic is solidified, offer is solid, and it's stacked on top of traffic. People that are seeing your content are now seeing your offer, and then ultimately you are adding people to an email list that you control, that you have. Then you have that ability to follow up with them no matter if you clear this off when you get to profit and scale, no matter if you have your first traffic source, then you decide to pick a second traffic source because you're step 9, profit and scale your business. And down here, you are still focused on the same topic. Or in the world of marketing, people like to talk about niche. They like to talk about what's your niche. Honestly, do this. Pick a topic, and picking a topic is as simple as this. Go to YouTube. How to create a budget for beginners, how to create a budget on Rocket Money, how to create a budget plan in Quicken and stick to it with every dollar for a startup business, how to create a budget in Notion from scratch. Point is, your simple topic is how to create a budget. And you're going to focus on that, and you're going to create consistent content, and then you're going to find an offer as an affiliate. And then when you get to step 9 and you want to profit and scale because you're at 0, you move from 0 to 10, then you want to go to 20, and you're thinking, okay, how do I get to 30? Well, I create my own product. Then you start selling your own product. You want to go from 30, 40, 50 and move on. You say, now I'm an affiliate, I also have my own product. What if I was to recruit? What if I was to recruit my own affiliates for the product, for my offer that I create? Now I've added 3 pillars inside of offer, but it's still the same simple steps that we already know work inside of the Proven Top strategy. Number 1, we need a traffic source. Number 2, we need an offer. Then we need to add people to an email list. But stick with me on this. What if for 6 months you would just do this and you would just focus on what is important? Step number 1, pick a topic. Step number 2, get really good at understanding how the tools and the technology work together, and then really hone in on the time that it takes or you need to spend down here creating consistent content to get people up to an offer, to get a chance to start earning some money. And with that, let's go back to topic down here because we really want to focus on this, and I want to show you how simple this is again. So we go back to YouTube, how to create a simple database. How to create a simple database in MS Access, Access Excel, MySQL. This is a problem that people have. They want to learn how to create a simple database. They're searching for it on YouTube. Many different queries or many different questions, many different problems that you're going to solve. These are just 2 examples. How to do anything, how to accomplish, how to fix. How do I insert problem here? People are searching for that. That is how you generate traffic, by creating consistent content that answers these questions and then ultimately lead them to an offer that solves their problem, the larger problem. Add them to an email list, follow up with them to make sure that if they have additional problems, you're making sure that you can keep helping them because they trust you. They understand that you are looking out for their best interest, and they will open your emails, they'll read them, you'll send them to more offers, you'll let them know about your other traffic sources, other ways that you can help them, focused in on that same topic, because once they have that problem, there's going to be a handful of people that solve the problem and then move on. But there's going to be a group of people there that are going to want to dive deeper and deeper and deeper into the problem, and that is how you position yourself, or that is how you become an expert. And you do all this with another simple model, and that model stacks inside of the Proven Top strategy of Traffic Offer People. When you pick a topic and you're here in step 3, creating consistent content, you might not be an expert, or you might not know anything about what the topic is. You just want to dive deeper into it because you're starting at 0, and you say, let me learn about the topic. Let me do the thing that solves the problem after I've learned it, and then let me create helpful content that teaches people how to solve the problem just like I did. Now, at this point, this is where my members-only roadmap comes into play, and I start people off doing exactly what I've just done in this video, doing exactly what you can do, and I've created my affiliating manifesto that explains all this. It's a simple read, and then you can read about the LDT model, and you can understand that Learn, Do, Teach is a very simplified model that anyone can follow. It just takes a little focus, and inside of the Proven strategy, it allows you to go out and to learn. It allows you to, at the same time you're learning, you're doing, and then you can say, you know what? I've learned this. I've done it. now I can go out and I can show people, or I can teach them how to solve the problem just like I was able to solve the problem because I took the time to learn how to solve the problem. I did it, so I can show that I did it, or I can demonstrate that the problem will be solved if you follow my simple steps. Then you come back and you understand, if you are to come and work with me inside of my members only group and you have this roadmap, you'll understand that, again, we're looking at simple steps. Step 1, read the Affiliating Manifesto and really dive deep into this concept of what I've talked about here, understanding that just like I talked about inside of Offer, there's really 3 things going on. Initially, you want to start and you want to be an affiliate because it's the easiest way to focus on the content that drives traffic to an offer and then not worry about all the components and pieces and parts of creating your own offer, but you're going to get there. Don't worry, you'll get there. And then once you have your own offer and you start selling that, the next thing is you reach out and you find affiliates to promote your product, and you become the person that creates the offer that has affiliates working for you, driving traffic to your offer. Then you come back and you say, great, now understand what it means to be inside of affiliating and really how to drive traffic utilizing the proven top strategy and get that traffic over to an offer that ultimately helps people, and then add people to an email list. And inside of my Affiliating Accelerator, I've walked people through this even more in depth than what you're going to get here on YouTube from anyone, but you understand and you see the big picture, and you can really focus in for 9 days, 1 day per step to go through that. And then you can watch the 3-module offer workshop. This is when you're ready to go to that next step. Inside of my members only membership, there's a link in the description. What you have is this roadmap. And inside, you just start here and you understand how all this works. The way that I'm going to show you how to learn this exact strategy, my proven top strategy, you learn it inside of affiliating. Then you move to special reports and publications, and you can get these focused models and concepts like the LDT model. Then you can watch the recordings for the focus sessions and work groups where I've helped people do this, and I've proven that these models work. I've taught them, and now they're doing it. And then you can get special offers and members-only discounts to join these focus sessions and work groups, or to buy any of these other products. Of course, if you're in the membership, you get access to all of this. So then you come back to the roadmap and you say, great, now I see the big picture, and the big picture is that I am going to follow the proven top strategy to generate traffic with consistent content. And if I have a problem with any one of those, because I'm going to have to set up traffic. Remember, we're going to start here. We're going to pick a topic, the how-to question I'm trying to solve, the content that I'm going to create. I started creating the consistent content, but I have a few questions. I have some doubts. Well, inside of the members-only roadmap, step 6, before you get to step 7, is to actually schedule a one-on-one call with me, and we walk through this step by step by step with an exact plan for you and for your topic. And then you get down here to step 7 and you start building, utilizing the proven top strategy, and you take it from a simple side hustle, spending whatever time you have to understand that you need to learn what's going on. Then you need to do what it is you're learning, and then you can teach that. But there is also things that you need to learn and understand, and it takes and requires focus to understand how to build a business and at the same time create that consistent content that drives traffic to your offer, which is ultimately the solution. It helps the people that you're adding to an email list. They become your clients that understands and trust you, and they appreciate that you're helping them. And that's all this is. To go from 0 to 100K, to go from 0 to 100K, utilizing a simple, proven strategy, starting with a side hustle and building a profitable online business, is simply this: helping people solve their problem. And I do this every day. And if you'd like to work with me or see inside the 30-Minute Marketing Members Only membership, or I call it the Members Only Club, check out this video that you see on the screen right here. Look forward to seeing that video, and I'll talk to you soon.